Wow.
Huh?
Oh my God. Oh my
Oh no! What?
God
Hey!
have mercy upon us.
Yes, DJ.
I hold him up.
byagenze yari ishutinze amenya ngo kuri za TikTok ubye abona mureba ari di brother
Oh, no, 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 no.
sharing
What if it is? My eye the bill. No be Sasa be this. What is Sasa going to do with one cloth? We have just started. Let competition. What if it is?
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Yahoo! Wow!
Let the poor breathe.
What? Hey!
Hey!
Limon parang.
Sorry ass DJ.
Stop. Please stay here for 30 seconds. I want to talk to you. Do you have 30 seconds? If you don't have 30 seconds, you can skip this video. If you ignore me again, I'll ignore you even more. The things that happen in your life will become more and more distant. So don't leave me alone. If you can hear this, I know you've decided to stay. I'm sure you're not staying for no reason, because you deserve my blessing. But I have a warning for you. Christmas is coming, and then it's a new year, a Twy-fair. Satyakururi Fora. Those who watch this video will receive millions of dollars, please believe. Nothing is impossible for me to prove that this video is really for you. Please click the forward button. You will see that your second contact is a lady. I'll show you this video to show you that prosperity will come into your life. You will receive financial blessings before Christmas. In a few minutes, you'll receive proof. But to make this happen, you must press the 4 buttons on the side to like this video, favorite this blessing, and forward this video to someone you love. And then use this audio even for private use. Right. I am ready and activated in the comments. You will win the lottery or inherit a large sum of money. You will have a large sum of money. You'll never need money again. Please believe me. It's all real. It only takes a few days. After clicking these 4 buttons, you'll receive this blessing. Believe me, my child, I love you very much. Amen.
Wow!
Hello friends. Now wabuza ba followers. Brenda mpereshuti. Kanda ngaho, kanda.
No!
Ah. Ranzo kande ku gatima. tukanda no kugasaraba rero nambe bantu kandi kugasaraba maze ngurebe ngo aba followers ngo bari kiranya ikindi shuti nimbarabuze aba followers comment ya video asigaye rero wandike ijambo mot maze ngurebe ngo aba followers urababona birukana
Yes, DJ.
Kandanga ino video sharinga abantu 15 ya munsi ukoresheje ino sound kanya birukana kwabuza aba followers wababuriye hehe
Ayodima. What's going on here?
So you like donkey like this and you dey pretend, eh? You like donkey like this and you dey pretend. Don't worry.
What's going on here?
Results.